Imagine spending $900,000 on a car, only to see it become a pile of twisted metal. This was Marcus Rashford's 2023 Mansory Rolls-Royce Wraith, a one-of-a-kind beast, now a total loss. Most would call it scrap. Mat Armstrong called it a challenge. Welcome to the first episode of Revive and Drive, where we narrate the most insane automotive resurrections on the planet.
Buying it was the easy part. Fixing it, that's where the madness starts. This Rolls-Royce didn't just have body damage, its soul was locked. Thanks to a ghost anti-theft system and a total electrical shutdown, the twin-turbo V12 was silent. And then there's the Mansory factor. A single carbon fiber side skirt costs $9,000. How do you fix a car when the parts cost more than a house?
Matt's solution was pure genius. He bought another Rolls-Royce, a 97,000-pound donor car, just to cut it open. We're talking about a full organ transplant. Chassis rails, air suspension, and even the structural rivets had to be perfect. Watching two luxury icons being chopped up to save one is heart-racing, but it was the only way to beat the system. After months of sweat and thousands of man-hours, the unthinkable happened. The engine roared, the carbon fiber aligned, and the spirit of ecstasy stood tall again. Matt even took it back to Mansory in Germany to face the final judgment. This isn't just a repair, it's a revival. If you believe every car deserves a second chance, hit that subscribe button. This is Revive and Drive.